everyone, this is Aditi, and as a senior UX UI designer at Trynocode, today I'll show you how you can improve visual hierarchy in your designs and explain why it matters using a few key UX laws. Let's take a look at this card design. Okay, when it uses different font weights to establish hierarchy, it still feels cluttered and lack clarity. The information isn't prioritized effectively, making it harder for the users to quickly scan and understand the key details. What we can do is let's observe how we can improve this card. So, using the Gestalt principle of proximity, we can see grouping related elements such as the event name and type, event detail, and also the icon that we can see in the end of the card. So, we will make the association clear. Similarly, details like the date and the location can be grouped together to reduce the visual noise. So, grouping similar objects together will help simplify the information and it will be easier for the users to scan the information more easily and quickly. Using the Miller law, we can limit the number of focal points to avoid overwhelming users. For example, the event name and status should take precedence since they are the most critical details. We'll make these elements more prominent while de emphasizing secondary information like the karma points or distance. How we can improve that? So here what I've done is, so we have taken the information from below section and we have made it into a one section. So we have prominently, now we are showing this information more prominently, as in the event name that is more important for the users to know, like what event it is, if it's regular or not, if it's for the, like for the information that is important for the target audience, as in if it's for beginners or professionals, the when the event is going to happen, so as in the date and location. And since we are already showing the location icon, so I don't think so like it's important to explain everything as in the city and kilometers. So we can still show the kilometers, but the city isn't that important since it automatically uh, helps to understand that this is the location that we're talking about. This is the name of the person who has organized it. So here it was not clear. It was not clear for me when I saw the card first. And this is the karma, as in the points that you're going to earn. So even that information was also not clear earlier. And I have added this. So in order to explain, I've added like three avatars. So instead of having a picture and one going, I know this information has to stand out because this is the most critical information that we are showing. So right now, just in order to explain, I have added like three cards and three are going. So we can show the status here, and I've also added a CTA so that it gives people like what they can do with the card. Okay, because otherwise people won't know like this card is clickable. So basically, the result is by reconstructing or restructuring the card with a clear hierarchy, the event name and status will immediately grab attention. Secondary details like the date and location will remain accessible but not overpowering. The card will feel cleaner, more intuitive, and easier to scan. This approach not only improves the user experience but also aligns with the principle of good design. I hope this helps. So, thank you. Thanks for watching.